Hello, welcome to another tutorial. Today we're going to be learning a song from Hillsong, a worship song, You Are My Strength, and I'll be playing in the key of G. So the progression in a scale of G, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 1. So it starts with a suspended 2 or sus 2. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other reaches to me. You are my hope, hope like no other, hope like no other reaches to me. So it's a chord 1, or you play a suspended, then you move to chord 4. Then from chord 4 you move to chord 6, then 5, then back to 1. So then the next part, in the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, we lift you up. Alright, so that part, in the fullness of your grace. So chord 4, in the power, chord 6, then you play 7, 1. Now the 7 you're playing 7 on your left, and then you're playing 5 on your right. Then you move to 4. Then the last part, alright, so that part you play 4, 1, 5, 6, 5, 4, 1, 5, then you end in 4. So it starts. Reaches to the sky. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other reaches to me. Alright, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below.